Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome to my channel.
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग वेल। मैं भी ठीक हूँ एंड आज है सैटरडे एंड लेट्स गेट दिस व्लॉग स्टार्ट एंड लेट्स गेट गोइंग। दैट्स द ब्रेकफास्ट प्लान। बहुत मजा आएगा। So it's about 8ish on the clock and I've gotten up comparatively the same time and I've freshened up and अभी बनेगा breakfast. So कल रात का dinner was not very heavy, so अभी breakfast में I want to have an elaborate meal. If you know me, Saturday breakfast, they mean a lot. So I really like to cook something for myself and have an elaborate breakfast, which is like, little filling for me because all the 5 days, obviously on the weekdays I am not having breakfast. So आज का plan है कि आज बनेगा idli, sambar and of course my favorite coffee. So idli के लिए there's batter already, so वो मैंने फ्रिज से निकाल दिया है ताकि वो थोड़ा room temperature में आ जाए and then I'll prepare the sambar and yeah, that's the plan. Let's get going. Bright sunny morning. This dusting is a task in itself. Actually, let's get to making breakfast now. This is done. 20 seconds to go for the idli to be done. Alexa, stop the timer. That's the breakfast platter. Idli, sambar, and coffee. Breakfast with a view. Hair has become super oily. I think, आज सुबह को मुझे हेड बाथ ले लेना चाहिए था, but then again, tomorrow is Sunday. It makes more sense to wash your hair on a Sunday ताकि it will last some good 2 to 3 days over the weekdays. तो मुझे weekdays में एक ही बार बाल धोना पड़ेगा. So much maths has to go behind when should you be washing your hair, which is that apt time that you should wash your hair. Girls do have a lot of problems. I don't know, but yeah, these tasks are like they are taxing. So today I have to live with this oily hair, and ठीक है. Anyways, आज घर पे ही है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नीचे जाएंगे या सामने मॉल जाएंगे. So I think that's fine. I think I can live with this. This is the preparation for biryani rice. Lunch. Let me know in the comments कि आप सब अपना Saturday कैसे spend करते हैं. Like for me, it is like I just want to be home. So how about you guys? Like how do you spend your Saturday? What is that fruitful thing that you're doing that's like happening on a Saturday for you guys?
Movie time. क्या आपने ये मूवी देखी है?
So there's some whipping cream and condensed milk lying in the fridge, and I think I want to use that. So मैं ऐसे ही देख रही थी कि what are the recipes that I can try with whipping cream and condensed milk, and the best one that popped out was ice cream, and I think I'm going to try that because I've never tried ice cream with cream plus condensed milk. I'm probably going to add coffee and freeze it, and let's see how it turns out to be. So मेरे पास ना वो mixer नहीं है, so probably I'm thinking instead of whipping it with my hand, I'll put it in the blender and वो थोड़ा उससे soft हो जाएगा. So I think let's give it a shot, क्योंकि anyways cream एक बार खुलने के बाद you have to consume it. अगर waste भी होता है तो it would not be a total waste. So let's try it out. Let's get to making आइसक्रीम. ये है क्रीम. इसको मैं इसी जार में डाल दे रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे फेंटने की इच्छा नहीं है. फिर डालेंगे इसमें कंडेंस्ड मिल्क. इसको अभी whip कर देते हैं.
As luck would have it, इस ब्लेंडर में whipping ऑप्शन भी है. वही मैं चेक कर रही थी and I was amazed that there's a whipping option here.
Coffee or vanilla essence. थोड़ा सा कोको पाउडर. Let's whip this. And this is done. इसके ऊपर स्प्रिंकल थोड़ा सा कोकोआ पाउडर एंड कॉफ़ी पाउडर. This is ready to go in the freezer. इंतज़ार करना सबसे डिफ़िकल्ट काम है. Now to wait for a minimum of 3 hours before we can consume the ice cream. Suddenly इतनी तेज़ धूप आ गई है. Blinds को बंद कर देते हैं, otherwise the room will become hot.
Chai time now. चलिए मॉल के चक्कर लगा के आते हैं.
So आज मैं donuts लेके आई थी. I think I'm having donuts after ages. I think इस साल तो मैंने donuts order नहीं किए हैं. So after a long time, I actually got donuts. So now let's go and heat it and enjoy it. So this is the loot. One is Choco Trouble and this is Choco Bomb, I think. इसको थोड़ा गरम कर लेते हैं तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा. So आज जब मैं एमओडी गई, so one of the basic problems is that वो एक का पार्सल नहीं करते हैं. So मैंने सोचा ठीक है, I'll go and order 2 donuts and probably enjoy one today and one tomorrow. So I went to the shop. I said, okay, I want 2 donuts. The guy is like, if we don't sell 2, you'll have to take a box of 3, 6, 9, etc. I was like, I'm only one person. I just want to eat one donut, but because you do not give one as parcel, I'm still taking 2. So somehow when I went, छोटी सी दुकान है, वेंट किया, वही जहाँ पर पैक होता है उसी के साइड में बिलिंग काउंटर था. So that guy was like, okay, give it in a paper bag. And there was another lady who was like persistently asking that guy that please मुझे एक parcel दे दो, and that guy was like, no, I cannot. So yeah, that's one story to share.
ये सारे क्लाउड्स कितने फास्ट जा रहे हैं.
So आज मेरे साथ एक काफ़ी weird incident हुआ and I'm little lost कि जो मैंने किया वो सही था या नहीं. खैर मैंने अभी वो कर दिया है, can't undo it, but at least let me know your thoughts and then probably I'll continue with my thoughts and what was the rationale I did it. So today I was standing in the queue in MOD. तो वहाँ पर there was a college going lady, I'm not sure, and she had a box of 3 or 6 ka donut pack, and she was trying to pay through UPI, which was not going through. and she just turned behind and she's like, do you mind paying? I'm going to pay you later. And I just nodded. मतलब वो बहुत instinctively आ गया, मतलब I did not even give it a thought, like, you know, and I just said, you know, nodded, and then she understood that I'm not comfortable doing that. So yeah, I basically did not help a stranger buy desserts, which probably is something that, you know, anyone can forego. But I still do not understand the rationale that why would you just turn to the person behind and ask them to make the payment. So yeah, let me know your thoughts कि जो मैंने किया वो सही था या नहीं. तो फिर मैं अपनी रैशनल मे बी नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में आपको बताऊंगी कि मेरे थॉट्स क्या है इसके बारे में. सो या, डू शेयर योर थॉट्स.
बस आज के लिए इतना ही. होपफुली यू लाइक द व्लॉग एंड सी यू सून. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. खुश रहें, खुशियाँ बांटें, कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड कीप डिस्कवरिंग.